Hello, this is Deborah with Black Education TV. I'm going to be sharing a story with you that was shared by Ox Scales. And the story is very, very disturbing, but nonetheless I think it's worth reporting on because a lot of people do eat out, and pizza is one of the favorites. And so apparently there's a news report that rodent or rat droppings were found on Dominoes pizza dough. Now, someone who works at the location in Tennessee, they said they are willing to lose their job because they don't think it's fair that people are eating this stuff, and they're claiming that the health department came out, checked things over, and that things were fine. But they actually have images of the rat droppings right on top of the pizza dough. I mean, the rat droppings are there, very clearly dotted and spotted on the pizza dough, you see. And so this, just like Brother Scale said, is just one more reason why we should not eat out if you can help it, you see. If you can help it, it's best to just keep it moving, because there's always going to be the protection of a lot of these establishments and no accountability in some cases. They come in and they say, okay, we look things over. Things are back to normal. It's clean bill of health. You can open your doors now. So what made you determine that quickly that things were okay now, you see? And so this is why I'm in agreement with the fact that eat out as less as you can, because it's just disgusting. Many of these restaurant owners and people who run the restaurants, management, even staff, won't even eat the food at their establishment, but they will serve it to you, you see. That is very, very disgusting and gross. And so I just wanted to share that with you. If I remember, I will drop a link to the story so that you can see the images attached to the news report, where it's actually showing the rat droppings on the pizza dough, which is, just like I said, disgusting. It is really disgusting. There's a wave catching on, family, and that wave is to grow your own food, you see. I know for us here, we make our own pizza. And it's a rather fun process to make our own pizza, you see. It's something we do every blue moon, but it's a fun task, and we prefer it that way. Now, I do remember back in the day where we used to get Pizza Hut when we lived in Michigan. We used to get Pizzapopolis in Michigan, and I think it was Jet's Pizza. And there were other places as well that we used to get really good pizza, but for the most part, I prefer to eat my own pizza. And a lot of things, it's just getting to the point where you literally have to, because it's just not safe anymore, okay? Well, thanks for sharing that story again, Ox Scales, Brother Scales. And I just wanted to share it with you all as well, so that you can just keep that in the back of your mind, that maybe you want to keep on rolling past a lot of these establishments. Make your way home, spend just a little bit of time in front of your stove and prepare it yourself. Okay, family? I'm out.